Yay! Let's unbox this thing. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max 512. Maxed out everything, and I don't have a thing to tear this with. But yeah, let's open it and see. Oh, I have a strap. You don't wanna know what the fuck I spent on it tomorrow. Ain't promise, so we live for the moment. That was Pusha T. All the clips. Okay. Ah. Ooh. Ooh, heavy. Neutral. Natural. Natural titanium. God damn thing is heavy. Ah. Oh, it's gonna be my baby for the next enough years. Don't shoot movies on this thing, music videos, make magic, and live life. Nothing else in this box. Freaking enough my phone Apple things, and just a USB-C to C. What the fuck is that making noise in my... Yeah, we live in the ghettos. What else? The warranty. You no longer need a physical SIM. Activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Motherfucker. Yeah, turns out I need an eSIM. What? I didn't know this. So how will I use this when I'm in Africa? Yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet. God damn. They're already all over the phone. The sides of the phone. The back, not really. Do they come charged? Yeah, the change of environment is going to be big. What the fuck is going on out there? Kids on bikes. What's that? So I got this from Grand Central Station. It's Chinese at the beginning. What the fuck? I know it's all sorts of languages. It's all sorts of languages. I got this from the Grand Central Station, the Apple station at Grand Central. Ooh. Bonjour. Hello. Meow meow. Okay, let's set this up. So yeah, I didn't know about the non-SIM card slot thing. Oh shit, is it the African ones? Sorry, is it the American ones only that don't have SIMs? Because I assume you're only going to be using it in America. Yeah, that's going to be interesting. But yeah, so we shall set that up later off camera. Like I said, this is the my heart. This is the 512 maxed out. It cost me 10 cows worth, like someone calculated. So before this, I'll do the setups and all this other stuff and but god damn, it's heavy. It actually is heavy. Neno masasa tu. Yeah. The cameras kind of, have a glare kind of to them. It's kind of, I bought a casing and a camera housing for this. I'll put those on later to see. But yeah, when you put it on the table, it rocks. But yeah, it's heavy, feels sturdy, feels titanium, and it's the best of the best that they have to offer, so it might as well be. I'm seeing a speaker here. I guess the iPhones have those speakers. I doubt. Your USB, your action button, your volume, and of course the new camera button thingy. We shall get to all that in a while. But yeah, this is it. Fingerprints on the sides. The back though, not much. Titanium on the logo, yes, because it's glass. Of all the things I've done, I love this casing. Let's talk about this casing a bit. It has this print. It's like a layer on top. Let's see if it's actually to scale. Yes, exactly to scale, so that you get a feeling of what the phone actually is. I love this print of the, it's like velvety matte feeling kind of print. Inside it's boring, just basic box, phone, basic cable, nothing much. This, so I'm not even super excited because I bought this a week ago and it's just been in a box for a week because very insidious. But yeah, now I want to talk about this other phone because I have to use this phone to film that phone. This is the Sony Xperia Mark II, which is a very, the phone I'm using to film it, a very, very good phone hardware wise. Like, this phone taught me the value of software. Like, if you read on the specs, this phone has things that this phone hasn't even gotten yet. Sony Xperia Mark II. It's a beautiful looking phone. It's a beautiful looking phone. When you read the specs hardware wise, it's a wonderful phone. Like, it's insane camera